Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is just a quick video to show you how to change the batteries on your thermostat. Obviously your thermostat is connected directly to your boiler and controls the heating within your property. In this case, as you can see, my thermostat is dead and the batteries need replacing. So I've got a little thermometer right here. It's just a battery run one. It says it's 22.8 degrees at the moment in my property. But obviously, with this one, this is how I control my heating. So without this, I would probably have to do it from the boiler. And yeah, so I want to have it here. I wanted to show my temperature. I wanted to show when it goes below the temperature I want, when it goes above. So I want to control my heating. Obviously, that way I can keep an eye on my bills as well. So without further ado, before I go into this, can I just please ask everybody to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for any other videos that will be coming up soon. Also, this channel obviously is not just for heating and boilers, it's also my workout channel. So if you're interested in workouts, please do check those videos out as well. So without any further ado, I'll quickly show you guys just underneath the thermostat there is a little gap right there. I'm not sure if you can see it. So in order to open it, just get a little screwdriver, push it up, and then that will open it like that. So yeah, you can probably see it better now. So underneath there's a little gap. You put the screwdriver through there, and then it will open this up and it will come off. So this is what it looks like at the back. So in this case, what we're going to do is change the batteries. So got rid of the old batteries, bought some other simple ones on Amazon. Don't have to be expensive, guys, just simple AA batteries will do. And just make sure you put them the right way around. And remember this thing at the beginning. So when I said take it out, just stick this back in. It just basically secures the battery in place. AA alkaline batteries, guys, again, will do. So the batteries are in place. As you can see, they're firmly secure. Sometimes, guys, before you put the battery in, make sure you push this further out a little bit and then put the battery in so it stays nice and firm and secure in there. As you can see, now the thermostat is on. So all we have to do is put it back in place. Tricky doing it with one hand. There you go, guys. Nicely and easily done. The thermostat is back in place. It's showing us 29 degrees. So now I can obviously control the temperature inside my property. So I want to leave it at 21 degrees or 20, and you could just set it up, and then the temperatures, as the room gets colder, the temperatures will drop. But the thermostat, obviously the trick is, and the whole point of a thermostat is that it won't let it go below the temperature that you set it at. So in this case, it's 20 degrees. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, if you're struggling, please don't forget to leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you and God bless.